Hi everyone, it's me, Plantain Charlene, and today I'm going to talk about 3 plants that are doing so well for me right now that were on the brink of dying, but now they're on a major comeback. So let's get into those 3 plants. And of course, before I do start showing the plants that I want to share with you guys, I always like to give my shout out to all of my subscribers and anyone who has viewed my videos, commented, liked, shared, click the bell to know when a new video is going to be posted. I want to just say thank you so much. I appreciate you all. I have gotten some new subscribers and I'm thankful, and I hope you enjoy the content that I share. But if you feel like there's something that you want to hear that I haven't talked about, please comment below and let me know. I really enjoy speaking with you guys. So don't forget to comment below and hit that thumbs up to know. So let me know that you like my video. Okay, so in the past, I have made one of my Calatheas a plant of the week. So these 3 plants actually will be my 3 plants of the week because they all are striving in a way that I'm highly impressed, because they all were on the brink of fading to black. So to see them come back like this is giving me pure plant parent joy. So here's the first plant. Here it is, my Calathea arbifolia. There is new growth coming, but at one point, all of the plants, it was really happy at one point, and then all of a sudden it just wasn't doing well. You see how this leaf looks? All of the leaves on the plant were looking like this, except for this crispy kind of brown area was about 80% of the leaves. And I told myself, excuse me, don't give up on it. I know part of the reason might have been that I kept moving it and the insufficient light, the humidity. So I decided to put it in my greenhouse that I'm showing you guys here. It's from IKEA. It's a greenhouse that they still have around. It's very small. I think when I purchased it, it might have been $20. I'm not sure if it still costs that, but I'll confirm. And I kept putting different plants in there. I put rocks at the bottom so that I could pour a little water, and you know, the humidity would be up in there. So lately, because it's been such high humidity here in New York, well, that's a fib. Within this past day or two, the humidity levels are about to go up. It's gonna get ugly. But in my home, I still kept a good level of humidity. Yeah, right now, I'm at 80% humidity. My humidifier is showing 80%. So a plant like this really appreciates that humidity. So though this leaf is crispy, this is the oldest leaf on this plant, and the latest ones that have come in, as you can see, none of them are crispy. This is the newest one here. It's still unfurling itself. So I'm very happy to see that, and there's new growth coming in right here. So I'm happy to see that this plant is back on the survival bus versus the ICU area. So yay for my Calathea arbifolia. Here is the next plant. This is a crocodile fern. Now, it too, as you can see, has leaves that have the browning on it. And this one, I wasn't sure if I was overwatering or underwatering it, but I had majority of the leaves that look like that. So I put this one in the IKEA greenhouse. It's sitting in the living room. It receives morning sun. And I have to say, lately my leaves are doing much better and they're getting bigger. So this is a newer leaf. This one is a newer leaf. This one is a newer leaf. And I see a new one coming right here. And it's a bunch of new, well, not new, but smaller leaves here, but As you can see, there's no browning on it. So that little IKEA greenhouse is happy where it is. I'm gonna leave it there and make sure that any plants that I put in there, if any more could fit, because I don't think any more could fit, that it's a plant. Maybe I'll buy another one since it's not that expensive. But anyway, that it will be a plant that needs high humidity, because I'm again very happy that I'm seeing leaves that used to look like this starting to look the way they're supposed to, which is a nice green, beautiful green color. And the beauty of this plant, to me, what I really like about it is that scaling. Now, it is called a crocodile fern because it has that kind of what do you call it, texture or look of a crocodile's skin. So I'm impressed that this plant is doing well again, because when I first got it, it was fine. Over time, got these crispy leaves, and now, and it's been over a year. So I didn't give up on it. It's been about 2 years. So I'm happy that I kept up on it, and I just kept cutting off the dead, or well, not dead, but the brown leaves, or cutting off the section if it didn't just break off on its own like just now. But this plant is doing better. I'm impressed. I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing, leave it where it's at, and not move it. Okay, last but not least, I'm like really going to get a big head right now from this plant, because me and Calathea, this is another Calathea, really don't do, or however you pronounce it, Calathea, whatever. Anywho, I've struggled big time with them, and this one in particular was one that I struggled hard with. So I'm surprised that I'm doing well. And here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. This Calathea Beauty Star, I believe is the name, is giving me, girl, you did this. Okay, I did this. Me. I did not give up on this plant. It was at no leaves. It's a lot of cut off deadness in here, and the leaves were looking like this one. And I was like, oh my God, what is happening? Why won't you grow right? And then all of a sudden it started to take off once I put it in my little tiny IKEA greenhouse. So, what? Do y'all see that? Now, I don't know what that is about. I really don't. It could be light. I don't know, because, you know, that's not a variegation. It's kind of see-through. So, I don't know what it's about, but, and see, this is another testimony to what the leaves are looking like. They dry out. If you don't keep this plant properly watered, the soil, that's what you're gonna get. You're gonna get leaves that look like that right there. And, or, oh no, I can't drop you, boo. Okay, I'm gonna slow down. I have to be gentle, because she's like, if you drop me, I'm done. I'm out of here. So I'm gonna be careful. So anyway, she's a beauty. That's why her name is Beauty Star. And what's crazy is I had the white star one, and it's very similar as far as the pattern on the leaves. Calatheas are known for having these burgundy back leaf color, and then there's some type of pattern usually on some of them. And they're not known to be the most easiest plant to take care of. I personally think it depends on where you live and your level of skills. It doesn't mean you can't kill it just because you may be, you know, person who grows this plant and sells it. It just means that for me, I don't know. I did this, okay? That's all I'm gonna say. You are beautiful. Yes, you are. Look at her. Yes. And on that note, I'm going to end my video. I am again going to big myself up for my plants making a comeback after looking like they were on death row, not going to make it. It was time to say bye-bye, and I didn't. Even though they sat in ICU for a while, I nursed them back to health with the help of this IKEA greenhouse. This is in no way me directing people to go get this greenhouse. It worked for me, or is working for me. It doesn't mean it's going to work for you. So disclaimer, I am not promoting it. Oh, if you buy it, your plants will do well. No. What I am saying is it works for me. So on that note, if you get one and your plants don't end up doing well, do not comment below talking smack. Don't do it. And again, let me end this video. I want to say thank you again to all of you who are watching. I appreciate you, especially if you watched it all the way to the end. And I want to say thank you. God bless. Stay healthy. Stay safe out there, guys. And keep planting. I haven't said that in a while. Keep planting. Bye.